Nice haircut.
Thanks.
Yeah. Wow, haircut. Yeah, I love it. It's like sex hair. You know, like after sex, you know? How it gets like all messy. I like it. Nice haircut.
You on Facebook?
Yep.
Friend me.
All right.
All right. Are you on Facebook? Oh my God, friend me, friend me, friend me, friend me, friend me. Also, Twitter, Insta, follow. Friendster, MySpace, Tinder, like.
Seltzer, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Seltzer! That went well.
So I said, it's not even my car. So I said, it's not even my car.
Oh, stop. Not as good.
Seltzer again? Yeah. It's seltzer time. Anyway, enjoy. Bubbles.
Hey, could you help me with a quick question about Excel?
Sure.
Cool. You are so good with Excel.
sorry?
Look at that rows and columns.
Oh, wow.
Don't be sorry. You are very good. You are like the master. Intense, though.
Okay. All right.
Mind if I join you?
Oh, yeah, sure.
What you reading?
Daily rituals.
There you are. Salad, gross. What's this dumb book?
Hi, Tyler.
Hey, Brenda.
Hey, Brenda.
Hi, Tyler.
Hey, Brenda.
Hey, Brenda.
Now you got me doing it. Hey, twinsies.